I'm here at My Car Cleaning, the only place to come for all of your premium car care products. We've carried out extensive research to bring you the best products from around the world, including popular brands such as Geon, Chemical Guys, Built Amber, G-Technic, and even upcoming brands so you can get the best things before everybody else. We stock over 1,200 product lines, including ceramic coatings, snow foams, polishes and waxes. I tell you what, let's just take a look at what we've got. So there you have it. Everything you need to clean, protect and maintain your car. From chemicals to hardware, we've got you covered. Click the link below. Come and check out the vast range of products we've got online and in store.